ThinManager was started in 1999 by a team of system integrators with one purpose: to replace traditional PCs on the plant floor with centrally managed thin client devices that require virtually no maintenance. Today, that functionality, along with hundreds of popular features, modules, and supported hardware options, is deployed throughout industrial facilities around the world. So, which industries use ThinManager? ThinManager is used by many different industries to deliver content with absolute control and security, boosting productivity. By managing centralized content delivery and thin client hardware, ThinManager is ideal for even the harshest of environments. ThinManager is widely deployed by system integrators for its ease of use and secure management of users and applications. ThinManager's integration of mobility and e-signatures makes it the perfect solution for clean rooms as well as remote and off-site locations. Many of today's Fortune 100 companies use ThinManager in day-to-day production. Here are the types of industries currently using ThinManager: water and wastewater, oil and gas, paper and pulp, product manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, packaging, chemical, automotive and tire manufacturing, mining and metals, food and beverage production, healthcare, and many more. No matter the size of your operation or the industry you excel in, ThinManager can easily be integrated and scaled to manage your facility. By providing a powerful solution that works seamlessly across IT and OT teams, ThinManager continues to help our partners build and sustain a more modern and connected enterprise.